A big hello and welcome to all the Planner Moms, Glam Moms, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So, today I'm coming on to you with a quick video regarding the recent book that I have read, The Score from the Off Campus series. This series has really taken me by surprise. I've enjoyed it so much. Two of the books have been 5 stars. One is This Score and The Deal, and The Mistake was almost like a 4 star. So it's been a good read and I'm really enjoying the books, though it's a campus romance. That's the main reason. I'm 42 this year and these are stories of young kids around 21 and like college kids. So but still the stories have a lot of substance to it and they have very well developed characters. The way the author writes itself is simply amazing. So if you're first time to my channel here, a big hello from my side. I live in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I'm from India. I've been in the Middle East since 2010. So my normally I post videos about book recommendations of books I've read, all spoiler free reviews, so you don't have to worry I'll spoil any fun. Lot of book hauls in my channel. You'll also find a lot of content of me traveling whenever I visit like different countries. I have a 7-year-old, so some of the kids content, so it's a mix and match. It's a lifestyle channel you can call, but on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, you can stay tuned for book reviews, which I put at least 1 to 2 videos a week. I'm a mom, so busy and full time with her, so I'm not on fixed on the dates, but you will get 2 videos every week in my channel, so stay tuned for that. And I have posted already for the off campus the review for The Mistake and The Deal, and The Deal and The Score have been 2 of my favorite books, so I'm definitely going to have their special editions ordered for myself. So whenever I receive them, I will share it with you. But let's talk about the Score. So Score, I already knew this will be a 5 star because I loved the character. I loved Dean and I loved Ali from the first book. Dean and Ali we again met in the second book also, but in the first book we got to know more about them, and we know Dean is supposed to be one of the ice hockey guys, but he is very, what do you call, a Casanova. He sleeps around a lot. He has no control. And Ali, she's been in a long-term relationship. We met her boyfriend in the first part and in the second. So now in this third part, something happens which I'm not going to tell you. So Ali, she breaks up with her long boyfriend for almost 2.5 years. The reasons are very justified why she left him, and then Dean himself is always hitting on her, but everybody doesn't really take him seriously because he's most of the time. But what I enjoyed in this book is both of how their love story started and how it kept going. And then the best thing about El Kennedy books are you're thinking it's going and like finally they are together, everything is going to be good. But she shows the very realistic part of what happens. So these two are together. I love the banter between them, how he always teases her, how he always wants to be with her, how she always pulls him away. Then they become friends and then they are pretending to be dating, and they're hiding themselves, nobody, their friends should not know that they are together. And then they're like friends with benefits. Let's just enjoy the friends with benefits, not dating. They like pretended to have friends with benefit, but Ali has been always in serious relationship, so she never does anything in a soft way. And then the first boyfriend finding out he's very possessive and he has his own shit going. I really didn't care about him in the first book, so it didn't really matter to me that they broke up. All right, so Dean and then you will see they are all happy and all, and then something will happen that will really take the carpet away, the rug away from your foot, and you will fall down. You will not believe this happened, and then it's for a short time and then they are back together again. So this book was I really enjoyed it. I definitely would highly recommend reading this series if you have not picked up. Again, May is the whole thing is going to come. Of course, Deal is 5-star infinity, but this is a 5-star also, so pretty good. The next book I think in this series is called it's going to be the Logan and Sabrina's. that's the goal which I want to get to. So after, I will also be posting a video after this is my TBR and all the books I've read till now. I'm going to post that video, so stay tuned for that. So in that, my April plans, what I have been reading, you will come to know. And definitely I plan to read this book also. There are a lot many books that are ongoing for me, so I'm going to talk more about it in my next video. So please subscribe if you haven't. Please follow me in Instagram where I post more regularly. I have a TikTok also called Swat's Book Corner. You can follow me in that as well. So we can chat if you're a book girly yourself. Let's chat as well. You can DM me. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. And take care and stay blessed. And please stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a lot of fun because I'm going to talk about the book plans that till April what I have read, and from April what I'm going to read. We are already, I think, on the 9th of April, so some books I've already finished, so I'm going to talk about those as well. And then from next month I plan to put month end my reading wrap-ups and the new books I plan to read. So that's about it. And please like, subscribe and share. If you enjoyed my videos, please leave a heart in the comments, and please share it to your friends so more people can watch my videos and it can reach more people who love reading like-minded books. All right, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. Stay blessed.